then I'm talking about ordinal type of adjective of number. Adjective of number are also known as numeral adjective. I have 5 cars. They have 3 dogs. The second story is my favorite and she lives on 5th floor. In the examples seen by you just now, there were some words like 5, 3, second and 5th, and they all were examples of adjective of number. So hello my dear YouTube family, I am your very own Rahul sir and I would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel Lore of English, and this is the third video of the adjective series. In the previous 2 videos, I discussed about the introduction of adjective and about adjective of quantity. And if you haven't watched any of those videos or both of those videos, please don't worry. I'm going to provide you the link of both the videos in the description box below. In today's video lesson, I'm going to talk about or discuss about the second type of adjective, which is adjective of number. When we start understanding the concept of adjective of number, the very first question that needs to be answered is what are adjective of number? Adjective of number are also known as numeral adjectives, and they are used to describe the number or order of a particular noun in a sentence. They basically answer 2 questions: how many or in what order. In the previous examples, the numbers given were 1, 2 or 3 and the order given was 5th. One more thing which is very important to note here about adjective of number, that they are basically of 2 types, cardinal as well as ordinal. If I say 3 dogs, 2 hours or 10 days, it means I am talking about the cardinal adjective of number. And if I am saying first student, second girl, 5th floor or 3rd job, then I'm talking about ordinal type of adjective of number. Till here I hope you understood the meaning of adjective of number and the difference between 2 of its categories, which are cardinal and ordinal. In simpler words, adjective of number are such type of adjective which answers the question how many, and they also express the number of a noun. Hope you have understood the concept of adjective of number, and before ending this particular video, I am going to provide you a list of some sentences expressing adjective of number. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel with your near and dear ones, क्योंकि आप में से बहुत ऐसे viewers हैं जो मेरे videos देखते तो हैं but subscribe नहीं करते हैं. Hope to see you in my upcoming video where I'm going to teach you about demonstrative adjectives. Till then, be safe, be happy, and thanks for watching my videos.